Hey Wealth Wavers! Welcome back to Wealth Wave You, the channel where we show you how to ride the wave to financial freedom. Today we've got some electrifying news. Nvidia just reported mind-blowing first quarter earnings, and their stock is on fire. They didn't just meet expectations, they absolutely crushed them. Stay tuned to learn how you can ride this wave and make some serious gains. First off, Nvidia reported adjusted earnings per share of $6.12 on revenue of $26 billion. That's a 461% and 262% jump from a year ago. Can you imagine those returns? Analysts were expecting much less, with EPS predictions at $5.65 on revenue of $24.69 billion. This kind of performance doesn't just happen overnight. Nvidia's success is largely driven by their burgeoning data center segment, which saw a jaw-dropping 427% year-over-year growth to $22.6 billion. That's 86% of their total revenue. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, credited this to the explosive demand for generative AI training and inference, particularly on their Hopper platform. AI is not just a buzzword here, it's a massive growth engine. Now, some Wall Street analysts were concerned about Nvidia's reliance on hyperscalers like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon for their data center revenue. But Nvidia is diversifying. Their chips are now being used by consumer internet companies, enterprise, sovereign AI, automotive, and healthcare sectors. Even though 45% of their data center revenue still comes from large cloud providers, the growth in other sectors is undeniable. Imagine the potential as these other sectors scale up. As expected, Nvidia stock soared by 4% in extended trading following these stellar results. But wait, there's more good news. The company also announced a 10-for-1 stock split. This means for every share you currently own, you'll get 10 shares. So, if Nvidia was trading at $980, after the split you'll be holding shares worth around $98 each. This could make Nvidia more accessible for smaller investors and might pave the way for it to join the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But that's not all. Nvidia is also increasing its dividend. That's right, more passive income for you. If you want financial freedom, these dividend hikes are your ticket. Mark your calendars, folks. The stock split will be effective on June 7th, and the new dividend will be paid on June 28th to shareholders on record as of June 11th. Nvidia's move follows similar actions by other big tech companies. Meta and Alphabet both initiated quarterly dividends this year, and Apple raised its dividend earlier this month. Dividend-paying stocks are fantastic for long-term wealth creation. Now let's talk about why this matters for you. Stock splits make shares more affordable, thus increasing liquidity. And higher dividends mean a steady stream of income. Combine that with Nvidia's explosive growth, and you've got a recipe for financial success. Nvidia isn't just gaming anymore. They are deeply entrenched in AI, automotive, healthcare, and more. Each of these markets have multi-billion-dollar potential, giving Nvidia multiple revenue streams to grow from. But there's something to keep an eye on. Nvidia's revenue from China was down significantly this quarter due to halted shipments of their most powerful chips. This market remains highly competitive, and it's something investors should stay aware of. Despite the dip in China, the global demand for Nvidia's technology is booming. We can expect more stories of success from other markets around the world. So, what should you do as an investor? Keep a close eye on Nvidia's future earnings calls and market moves. If you don't already own Nvidia, the stock split might present a more accessible entry point. Historically, stock splits often lead to short-term stock price increases due to the psychological impact of owning more shares, plus higher liquidity. Companies like Apple and Tesla have seen their stocks soar post-split. Nvidia could follow suit. For example, after Tesla's 5-for-1 stock split in August 2020, its stock surged by nearly 80% in the following months. A similar phenomenon was seen with Apple's stock split. Knowing this, Nvidia's 10-for-1 split could trigger a similar rally. Nvidia has also been forging strong partnerships. Collaborations with giants in automotive, healthcare, and AI ensure a diversified revenue stream, making it a robust addition to any portfolio. Their cutting-edge technology, like the Hopper platform for AI, positions Nvidia at the forefront of the tech revolution. This positions Nvidia not just as a participant in the market, but as a leader. Remember, we always advocate for diversified investments. While Nvidia's on a hot streak, balancing it with other strong performers in your portfolio can mitigate risk and increase potential returns. It's crucial to stay educated and proactive about where you put your money. Opportunities like this don't come often, but when they do, being prepared can make all the difference. We're here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. So, what do you think? Are you excited about Nvidia's stock split and dividend hike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a discussion going. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our wealth building tips. Let's ride the wealth wave together. Until next time, happy investing, wealth wavers.